Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely open your laptop and avoid any static damage to the components. First, power down your ASUS VivoBook F1504Z and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that the device is completely off before proceeding. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is typically a rectangular shape and connected to the motherboard via a cable. Before disconnecting the battery, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the interior using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now, gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. You may need to lift a small latch or use your spudger to carefully release the connector. Once disconnected, you can remove the battery from its compartment. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have expert advice at your fingertips. Next, take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Press it down firmly until it clicks into place. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is secure. If you're unsure about any step, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your device serviced without the hassle of travel. After the new battery is installed, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. Finally, flip your laptop back over and connect it to the power source. Power it on and check that the new battery is recognized by the system. You can do this by navigating to the battery settings in your operating system. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your ASUS VivoBook F1504Z. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we offer a quote before repair so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. No calls, no travel, just straightforward service at your convenience. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.